Alan Knuckman at Bullseye Options joins me now for a look at the trader rundown. What's your expectation in the market? I know you have been bullish so far.
Right, I have. Now, the concern is we've come such a long ways. 2,300 points in the Dow, more than 10% in all of these stock indexes. The question is now what happens that we've recovered all those losses. Now, is there going to be some profit taking?
Right, and that does tend to happen when you get to loftier levels. So, how do you prepare for that?
Well, looking at the stock indexes, you can see that the Dow and the S&P are positive on the year. What I'm looking at is the NASDAQ is still dragging behind a little bit. So I'm looking for some opportunities in some of these tech stocks to play catch up.
And what would be a name that you would perhaps buy or make a trade?
Micron Technologies, MU is what I'm looking at. It's been trading between 9 and 12 since January. So that target's 15 on the upside. So that particular stock has been holding back, and it's been holding this $10 level. 10.50 is the halfway mark of that channel. So if it can hold down on a weekly basis, that's what I want to lean against and buy some options on it.
What would you do in that option strategy?
Looking at a stock substitution, once again, buying an in-the-money call that's going to act like the stock. A January, plenty of time. A lot can happen in almost a year, well, I guess 10 months. The January $8 call is going to trade for about $4. So that's $3 in the money right now, meaning that it needs to move up one more dollar for break even in the period of the next 10 months. So not a real lofty expectation there. So it's going to profit if there's just a modest move.
And for somebody who just wants to buy the stock, basically you're telling us that the market is saying this stock could go higher.
Right, looking to play some catch up here with the rest of the market, and it's been trading sideways. 9's been the low, and this is multi-year lows. So right now we're trading 11, so don't have to risk a whole lot. Just keep an eye on that 10, 10.50 level on a weekly basis.
Thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks, Ange.